3 steps to find keywords in your niche for beginners. Niche keywords are highly specific, long-tail keywords that relate to a narrow, industry market. For you to be successful in your chosen niche, it is essential for you to optimize your site and your pay-per-click campaigns with niche keywords, and not just broad, popular terms. Learn how to perform niche keyword research in 3 easy steps. Step 1. Use a keyword research tool to help you with your research. Before you can get started in choosing your keywords, you need to identify the niche you will be working with. Regardless of how much you know about your particular niche, it can be a challenge to know ahead of time what keywords will be the most profitable. Conducting keyword research will help you to identify a broad range of potential keywords along with less obvious terms that could drive traffic to your site. Step 2. Refine your keyword list. Unfortunately, it is unlikely that all of the words that you discovered in Phase 1 will be of value to you. The list of keywords that you gather has no inherent value unless you do something with them. The key is to find an effective method to refine your list. You can use the keyword research tool to improve your keywords and provide you with valuable data on each keyword's search volume. The keyword list that you generate should be as specific to your business as possible. You don't have to adopt every suggested term, but you do need to be aware of them because they could be good indicators of behaviors or purchasing patterns that can be used in your advertising. Step 3. Determine the competitiveness of the keywords. Finally, you need to analyze the competitiveness of each of the keywords and key phrases on your list. WordSteam's keyword tool will provide you with an opportunity score that shows you the relative difficulty of ranking for each keyword on your list. The tool's unique algorithm can assess the viability of a given search query within the context of your existing pay-per-click strategy. Successful keyword targeting requires you to monitor and tweak your efforts continually. After spending the time to identify the best niche keywords, you can continuously track how those keywords perform your site and in agreement with your specific business goals. Make continual keyword research a priority in your business and always be vigilant about analyzing and acting on your research, to continue to improve your results. Click the link below this video to claim your 3 free pre-made niche websites. Thank you and have a great day.